Hey guys, don't know about y'all, but I kind of enjoy watching unboxing videos, so I figured I'd do one. Anyway, I'm excited. I got some couple things in the mail, and let's see what they are. So, I'm gonna pause. I need two hands to do this. All right, bring you back. So there's some of eBay's finest. Let's see what we got here. So, package within a package. And I guess I guess the box wouldn't fit in the flat rate bag. So what we have here is a Speed Daddy 44mm wastegate from eBay. And I bought these. They've never heard of me before by any means. So, we'll open it up and check it out here in a little bit. Let's see what this other one is. And looks like kind of the same thing. I got it from the same vendor. This came from Speed Daddy as well on eBay. So similar packaging. Looks like they try to make it fit in the flat rate box. But this is I think it was a 50mm blow off valve if I remember correctly. Comes with V-bands. Spring. Anyway, there's the. We'll open these up and look inside and see if they're full of metal chips like everybody says they will be. So this is not really this is not a car part, but hopefully it'll help me out. So, alright, we're back. So maybe one of these days I'll do something other than my phone, but probably not. So, anyway, this, nothing really exciting, but is an adapter. It's supposed to go from a Dewalt 20-volt battery to a Ryobi 18-volt. And I already opened this one, but the other day I got this Ryobi inflator. I got a old set of slicks that don't seem to hold air very well, so I wanted to be able to pump them up. So it sounds like it works. We'll give it a shot and see if we can add some air pressure. I bought a set of used slicks a while ago. These are 28x9 by 15s, and I just had them put on a set of old 10 holes. Haven't taken them to the track yet. Drove around the neighborhood one day, but they didn't seem to be holding the air good, so I wanted to have something to be able to pump them up at the track. So we'll see what they got. Right now, it's showing about 8 pounds or so, 7-8 pounds. I don't think that's right at all. I don't know, maybe the gauge isn't too good. let's see what it says. So it looks like the gauge is pretty far off, but it pumps up pretty quick. I mean, I brought it up from 8 to 12 pounds in just a minute or two. I just kind of been messing with it. Hadn't run it for a long time, and it's maybe a little bit warmer than ambient, but it's not hot by any means. So it's saying 20 and a half. But this gauge, and I trust this gauge more than, it's about 11, almost 12. So it brought it up from 7, 8 to 11 pretty easy. So I like it. I'm not too happy with the gauge, but the pump itself seems pretty good. Hope you liked it. Oh, and so anyway, I'm just getting started doing some YouTube stuff. I got some other videos of my Mustang and the Holley Terminator X. If you like this stuff, let me know. Leave a comment. Like it if you like it. If you don't worry about it. Anyway, I'm going to be putting the turbo on hopefully this winter. So we'll have some more videos about that. Take care. Bye. Okay, well, to be fair to the Ryobi, I think that my gauge is no longer any good. I dropped it the other day. Maybe it's got out, but it used to be really good. But anyway, the tire pressure sensors in the car, they're much closer to 26 than they are the 18 that was reading on the gauge. So I'm going to give this a little bit of air and say that I really like the Ryobi, and apparently I pumped up my slick a little too much, so I'm going to probably let some air out of it. Have a good day.